Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. I'm excited today because I'm sharing one of the new Mintay Papers collections. This is brand new and it's called Merry and Bright. And this is obviously a Christmas collection. There are two Christmas collections that have been released by Mintay. For me, I like it because it's got the red, it's got the green, it's also got a little bit of a vintage feel to it, which I like. It's got pictures of Santa. It's also got the elf on the shelf. So to me, it's got sort of like a little bit of a childhood magical theme to it. Let's take a look at the cardboard sticker sheet. Got Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, Bright, Merry, Believe in Magic, Joy, Santa, Santa is Here, Holly Jolly Christmas, Merry Christmas, All I Want for Christmas is You, Believe in the Magic of Christmas, Have a Magical Merry Christmas, Our Family Christmas, Lovely Time Together. So it is, I think it's got a little bit of a child theme to it. It would do very well with the December daily. You could obviously make lots of Christmas cards with this collection and you could scrap your family Christmas memories. Let's take a look, first of all, at the 12 by 12 papers. On the back of the front cover, you have all of your fussy cut elements. And this page just makes me smile. I can see these cheeky little elves here. I can see these nutcracker dolls. We've got rocking horses, stockings, snowman, a beautiful Christmas tree, lights, holly and ivy, candy canes, lots of decorations for the tree. There's a big vintage steam engine and a Santa sack. It just makes me smile, this page. It really is, I think, for the kids. This is Christmas for the kids. Oh wow, let's have a look at this. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful window. I just want windows like this in my house with the white all the way through it. I just think they are stunning. Lovely green curtain, dark chocolate wooden floorboards, a beautiful Christmas tree, elves on the shelf and presents under the tree, lights and stars. It's every child's dream. On the reverse, a beautiful white wooden floor, absolutely gorgeous. I think Corolla should start designing houses. She can come and design my interiors and decorate my house. Here we go, we've got beautiful red wooden shutters. Snow is falling. We've got beautiful decorative Christmas decorations. And on the reverse, just a beautiful vintage page of polka dots, a very light aqua and a cream colour there. Quite a heavy cream colour. And here we go, back into the beautiful lounge room again. We've got the wainscot, walls. Amazing. This is inspirational for me. This is what, things that I would like to have in my house. And imagine having a setup like this for the kids. On the reverse, we have burlap. Just a very light colour, a cream burlap. Oh, look at this page. This is different for Corolla. These are fabulous to cut up and make a scrapbook layout. This is an easy scrapbook layout here, waiting to be made. Lots and lots of paper layers there. On the reverse, she loves this colour. This is in a lot of her collections. It's just that sort of sea green, aqua-y colour, lots of holly and ivy. Here we have some poinsettias. I'm not sure what this one is. You'll have to write in the comments and tell me. is it mistletoe? Maybe. That's a lot of fussy cutting there, very delicate fussy cutting for intricate designs. I love this. Red with stars. It's beautiful. That makes me smile. Let's have a look at the number 6 page. So we've got a real vintage feel here. Look at this. This is very vintage, and so is this. And this. And the steam train. I love the colours. I love how she's paired like the beige with the white, with the red and the green, and this teal colour. Beautiful. And on the back, here are your frames. Got the red shutters. Lovely white thick frame. I'd love to have photos on the wall in my house with those big white thick frames. So I'm loving this. I'm loving all of her collections, of course. What else have I got to show you? So that was the 12 by 12 paper set. You can purchase an additional number 9 page, which has more fussy cutting, and in the reverse a lovely wooden textured page. I like how she's used the dark wood in this one as well as the light wood. You've got the sticker sheet, and then there's the 6 by 6 scrapbooking paper pad. Let's see the designs on the inside cover. So we've got 2 brown wood frames and 2 white wooden frames. We've got Christmas carol music in the background and some lovely designs. So we've got all of the same pictures and designs that we have in the 12 by 12, but in a smaller version. It's such a beautiful collection. You have 4 copies of each of those 12 designs in your paper pad. Plenty of paper there to create many things. So, Merry and Bright collection. Is this your favourite? Are you going to do Christmas cards this year, or are you going to make a December daily scrapbooking album? What would you like me to create with it? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.